In this video, I'll show you how to connect a wired mouse to your MacBook Air M4. So most wired mouse comes with one of these plugs that is a USB type A. Unfortunately, the MacBook Air M4 only has two USB type C ports right over here, no USB type A. So you'll need an adapter first. There are many different adapters, many different brands. I'll put a link in the description. There's one from Apple, but there's also cheaper version like this one over here that works pretty well. That you connect one end of this USB type A and the other end is a USB type C. So go ahead, connect it right over here. Usually, simply by doing this, the mouse should start working by itself without you having to go in any settings on your computer. But you may also get one of these messages on the screen. Allow accessories to connect. Simply press allow if this is a message you see, and then the mouse should be working if it didn't work yet. You see, the mouse is going pretty well. Now there's a few settings we can change so it's a bit more comfortable to use your mouse. Go on the top left corner and select the Apple logo. Then select System Settings. On the left side menu, you need to go down until you see Mouse. Click on Mouse. And here you're going to have a few different options that you'll be able to edit. So depending what you intend to do, let's say tracking speed, you can put it at the fastest or the slowest. You can do natural scrolling and yeah, the other settings as well. Overall, this is it. Once you're done using your mouse, there's no way to eject it. You simply disconnect it physically from the USB port and this is about it. It will disappear from your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe. I'll put a link again if you want to get one of these adapters from Amazon. Check the description and I'll see you in the next one.